Who doesn't carry one of these in their bushcraft kit? What's up guys, Dan here, Coalcracker Bushcraft. So this is not something you should be carrying your kit, even though I said we all carry it. You don't carry one of these rolling pins in your kit. There is an easier, faster way, and I'm going to show you that hot tip today. Now the reason that I'm doing this video is because this weekend I was making pizza in the woods with my wife, and we needed to roll out the dough, and we just stared at each other, and she's like, "Do you have a rolling pin?" Where am I getting a rolling pin from? So that's why this is now part of it. If you have a wife, you know that this will just be part of my kit. It doesn't have to be part of yours. But here's the thing. So I'm gonna add a little bit because this video would be a quick one otherwise. So a great thing to add into your bushcraft kit, okay, is all-purpose flour. So take some all-purpose flour just like this, okay? Just the white flour you have at home, put it in a bag or a Ziploc bag and carry it along with you, because you can take all-purpose flour, right? You take a little bit of that, a handful worth of the flour, and then you take some water and you mix the water in with the flour just like this. Mix it around with your hand or a stick or a spoon, whatever you want to do. This is going to happen right in front of your eyes. That's how cool this is. And what you're going to create then is you're going to create a dough. It's a very basic, simple dough that you can make. You can make dumplings with this. You can make ash cakes with this. You can make bannock with this. You just add extra items to it while you're out. You find any wild edibles or anything like that. You can add stuff, and then you see it's starting to clump together, and we're making dough. Now this dough made with just the flour and the water is a great staple, like I said, around camp. Ton of different stuff that you can do with it. But this is very, very similar to the packaged pizza dough that just add water type stuff that you're gonna make. But then once you make it and you bring out your plate, you got to figure out how to stretch this thing out. So that's where normally at home you're going to get your roller out and roll it out, but we're in the woods and we don't have that luxury. Now what we normally do have though is some type of plate or little mess kit, and then we also usually have our bowl, and what we also have is our water bottle. So our water bottle is a great substitute for a rolling pin. It literally works wonders to get your dough nice and flat and thinned out just the way you might want it for pizza, or maybe you're making some type of empanada while you're out here, or something that's stuffed or flat, or you just want to make your dumplings really, really nice and thin. It works really nice and it looks great. So you know me, I never try to disappoint when it comes to the outdoor hacks, and I think this is a great one. People overlook this all the time. This is going to take your cooking to the next level, because now you have a tool that you're carrying along with you anyway that you can double up as a rolling pin. So fun, easy little hack for when you're heading out to camp, car camping, anything like that. You're good to go. All right, and I think that's about it. So check us out over at coalcrackerbushcraft.com for all our gear and our classes and all our cool stuff. And until the next video, hit like and subscribe and stay in the woods.